Hi everyone, welcome to the QRadar Quick Bites channel. I'm Rituja and today I will be demonstrating how to integrate Ubuntu with QRadar SIEM. The integration process involves several steps to ensure that log data from Linux system is properly forwarded to QRadar for further analysis and correlation. The first step is to ensure connectivity between the Ubuntu system and the QRadar server. For this, you need to log into the Ubuntu system using the root user. Make sure that you are logged in as root so that it will become easier for us to perform the further steps which are going to be mentioned in this video. Now we will check the connectivity between the Ubuntu system and the QRadar server. Here the IP can be of any of the following QRadar appliances. It can be console, it can be event collector, it can be event processor. And the port is 5 and 4 because QRadar receives event logs on the port 5 and 4. So once we ensure that the Ubuntu system is able to connect to QRadar, we'll move further. Okay, now we need to configure a file in our syslog.d directory. So let us check. As we can see, here are already a few configuration files. Now either you can create a new file here directly as QRadar.conf, or we can execute a specific command which will create the file for us and do the configuration in one single command. I will execute this command. If we check again, you can see a new file has been created as QRadar.conf. If we look in the contents of this file, you can see the configuration that we just added, the IP address of the QRadar appliance and port 5 and 4. Now we need to restart the rsyslog service to apply the configuration changes that we just added. Okay, so now basically the Ubuntu system is connected to the QRadar server. Now we need to go to the QRadar GUI and that go to log activity tab, add filter here, source IP indexed, and value will be the IP address of your Ubuntu system. Let's choose real-time streaming. Now we can create a few events here just to see if the events are actually coming to QRadar or not. As you can see, the events are received on the QRadar log activity tab, and a log source has also been created. So in this way, you can successfully integrate Ubuntu with QRadar. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this video was helpful.